Room 2110, I knocked on the door at the penthouse suite, 'cause I needed more from you. Oh, I wanted an explanation. Red Solo cups all over the floor, and your friends passed out, sleeping in that bed.
Hi everyone, so this is my college apartment room. So this little grid here is from Five Below, and this shelf is actually from Amazon. And then most of my masks are from Etsy, including that print, which is from Etsy. And then I have my little silk bonnet. This here is my, it's like a tassel thing. It's advertised on Etsy as like, it's a boy celebration tassels, but I really like it. This is my letterboard that says "It's a beautiful day to save lives" because we love Grey's Anatomy, and it's also from Etsy. Not sponsored by Etsy, but you know, if you know, you know. This is my bed. So the yellow pillow is from, oh my gosh. So this is my stuffed monkey. I'm 21 years old. We can talk about it, but we don't have to. This is my, so the yellow pillow is from Home Goods. The white pillow is from Target. And the fluffy pillow in the corner is from Target. And then I just have like a normal silk pillowcase. And then the one that says home, my dad's friend from college actually made me. And then the comforter is from IKEA. The sheets are from Target. And then this is a weighted blanket I got for Christmas. If I had to guess, it's probably from Kohl's. And then this humidifier I got, I'm pretty sure, at just Target. Yeah, so these are my sweet sister succulents. I love them dearly. As you can see, I have this cute little knitted octopus that I impulse bought. And then we have this little makeup stand that I got at Home Goods with a candle from Otherland, and then I have all my makeup in it. If you guys want to what's in my makeup storage, you can let me know. But I basically just have my brushes and this fake plant from IKEA on the top with that mirror that's from Target. Yeah, so then this is like a fake gallery wall. And by like fake, I mean like oh my gosh, it's dark. I'm not an artiste, but I think I did a pretty freaking good job on this gallery wall. It's next to these two hanging plants. The plant hangers are from Etsy, and I can also link that below. I'm going to try to link everything below. But yeah, so basically, so this I got at a stand at the farmer's market, I think, or at Apple Fest in Ithaca. This is from Etsy with a quote from The Color Purple. I made this Connecticut one, which I'm pretty impressed with. I made it freshman year. That print in the corner is from The Color Purple from Etsy. And then these two I painted, obviously the one that's a body. This is a plant that I had to take from protective custody from my mother because she wasn't watering it properly. So we love that. This is a clear plastic storage bin that I literally got at Target. It has my books and my, oh my gosh, my boots. This pink blanket is also from Target. It's super soft and it matches the rug. And the ottoman underneath is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I put my candles and like random miscellaneous stuff inside. And on the top I'll obviously like medicine, scrunchies, whatever. So this is my desk, which is a funny story because my apartment came furnished. So it had a desk, a chair, a dresser, which is in my closet, and then the bed. Except the desk they gave me was super, super unstable, and I was like, there's no way I'm putting my stuff on it, especially because we're remote for this semester. So I went to Target, and I got this desk, and I think it's perfect for what I need. It was not that expensive, and it has like this lovely, like, distressed kind of like wood thing, because I didn't want it to be pure white because it wouldn't match like everything else that's going on. So I think that this is definitely great. Again, I got it at Target. It has decent storage for like my iPad and my notebooks and things like that, and chargers. So yeah, here is my little lamp. I literally have had this since freshman year. I have no idea where it's from. I want to guess and say Bed Bath & Beyond, but I'm not certain. And then this is without music, life would be flat, because I'm a music major and my mother she thinks she's hilarious. So these are some flowers I actually just got from the farmer's market today. And I put them in a little ninja smoothie thing because they need water. This is a Dance It Out sign that my friend Julia got me. Grey's Anatomy fans, if you know, you know. This is a Corona Spicy Flu Casualty. we have to get these external microphones for our voice lessons and our ensembles to record, which is great. These are some candle jars that I filled with markers and pens, and they're holding up my journals, another plant, and my alarm clock as usual. And then this is something I didn't know I needed. It's like a static privacy screen kind of for my window, because we have 6 boy neighbors upstairs who like to box and hang out outside right where I'm staring at the window, and since I'm going to be at my desk and I want daylight, I didn't want them staring at me. And then this is my lovely chair that, again, as I said, came with the room. It's like pretty decent for a chair. I actually prefer it over the one I even have at my desk at home. And this blanket on it, my friend Tori, sister Tori, crocheted. So right here we have a canvas that my mom got me that's for my professional fraternity. This is a dream catcher that my friend Elizabeth made me, and I literally think it's stunning. This is just like a random R that I painted gold and put glitter on, and I was like, alright, let's make it a thing. This is my sweet, sweet guitar. I've been practicing it a lot lately because like there's nothing else to do, and it's always good to keep practicing, especially for grad school coming up on the horizon. This calendar, I always get these big calendars at Target in like the dollar section. I think this one was like $5, and every month is a different color with like this gold kind of font, and I really love it. So now we're moving on to the main reason why I was okay getting a smaller room, which is this huge closet. It's definitely, I wasn't even worried about having enough space for everything else, because I was like, oh, yeah, the doors are literally awful. So I was like, oh, I'll have this huge closet where, as you can see, I put the dresser that came with the room in my closet. But I have that. I have this little like hanger that I put my shoes in. I think it's meant for clothes. Then I have the black velvet hangers that I got at Home Goods. Those 2 blue bins are from Five Below, and the blue and white striped one is from Target, and the pink one is from Bed Bath & Beyond. And that wooden crate, I don't even know where I got it, so I'm no help there. But I really, again, appreciate all the storage, because I have more clothes than I would care to admit, but yet I can't seem to part with that many of them, so here we are. So this is my Sweet Coach backpack and my Sweet Kate Spade purse, the only 2 purses I have. This is me in the mirror. What's up? Peace out. Then okay. And then this is my laundry that by the time you're watching this video, hopefully I will have done. And then this is just, whenever it gets cold in Ithaca, which will probably be like literally tomorrow, because the weather is what it is. These are all my winter jackets and my sweet Ithaca hat. And then lining my room are these lights that I got at Target. I got them last year at Target, and I was inspired by the Party Twins actually on YouTube to get them. I think they're way better than like the Christmas lights that people hang around their room. Like, obviously they're glass, so they're really scary, and like some of them have gone out, but like for the most part I really like them. And then this rug I talked about in my move-in vlog, the debacle I have for the rug, but this rug I literally got at Walmart for $20, and it does the job. So I was being dramatic with my other rug debacle, but it does the job, and I love it, and it's fine for me to put my feet on, especially when it gets colder. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed my room tour. Comment below if you have any more video ideas. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Bye-bye.
Text me when you get here. You made it so